Hello and welcome class 7 students. Today in this maths class I am going to show you some important geometrical figures where you will be asked to find the values of different angles. So please follow today's class. Suppose you are given a triangle, an acute angle triangle figure is given to you where the value of two angles is provided to you. Suppose this is 60 degree given to you, this angle, and another angle, that is the top angle, this one, the vertical angle, this is given 85 degree, and you are asked to find out the value of the third angle. So the value of two angles, suppose this angle is called angle A, this angle is angle B, and the third angle is angle C. You are given the values of angle A and angle B, and you are asked to find out the value of angle C, that is X, which is missing. You are required to find out the value of this. How will you find out the value of the third angle? Simply you will write that the sum of, like previously we have done, the sum of all the angles, of a triangle is equal to 180 degree, Now the value of A and B is given. Therefore you will write angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Now angle A is given to you as 85 degree and angle B is given to you as 60 degree, and angle C is X, which is missing, and you have to find out the value of X. So how will you do this? You have to add 85 degree and 60 degree. Now 80 degree, 85 degree and 60 degree gives you 145 degree. 145 degree. Plus X equals to 180 degree. Therefore, X is equal to 180 degree minus 145 degree, which gives you 35 degree. So the value of X, that is the value of the missing angle, is 35 degree. This value of this missing angle X is 35 degree. If you add these three, 35 degree and 85 degree and 60 degree, you are going to get definitely 180 degree. So in this way you will find the value of the missing angles in the triangle. Next, the second sum, we'll move on to the second sum. In the second sum, again a geometrical figure is given to you. Suppose say an obtuse angle triangle is given to you. And the value of two angle is given to you. Say this is given to you as 20 degree and this is given as 40 degree. You are asked to find out the value of the third angle which is missing, which we will assume as X. Suppose angle A is given 40 degree, angle B is given 20 degree, and angle C is missing. The value of angle C is required to be found out. Okay? So in this case you have to find out the missing angle, that is the third angle. Just like the previous sum, we will solve this sum also. How we will solve this? We will write that the sum of the usual line that we write in this type of missing angle sum. The sum of all the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Now angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. angle A is given to you. Angle A is given 40 degree. Angle B is given to you as 20 degree. And angle C is missing, so you will write x equals to 180 degree. Therefore, you add angle A and angle B, you are going to get 60 degree plus x equals to 180 degree, or x equals to 180 degree minus 60 degree is equal to 120 degree. 120 degree, you are going to get the value of x. That is the value of this missing angle, the third angle is 120 degree. 120 degree. In this way, you are going to solve the sums. I hope you have understood this sum. Very quickly, we will move on to the third sum. In the third sum, the figure is given like a right angle triangle is given to you, and here also it is given that this one is 30 degree and this one is x. You have to find the value of A, the missing angle x. Now you can see that this is a right angle triangle. So of course angle B will be 90 degree, which may or may not be given to you, but as you can know from the figure that this is a right angle triangle. So angle B, if given or not, whether given or not, this angle must be 90 degree because it is a right angle triangle and one angle must be 90 degree. So this angle is 90 degree. It may or may not be given, this angle must be 90 degree. The other angle, that is angle C, is given 30 degree and angle A is missing, that is x, and you have to find out the value of x. How will you find out? The same way you will write the sum of all the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Angle A, angle B, angle C is equal to 180 degree. Here angle A is missing, so you will write x in place of angle A. Angle B is 90 degree and angle C is 30 degree. So 90 degree plus 30 degree. So ultimately you are getting x plus 120 degree equals to 180 degree. So x equals to 180 degree minus 120 degree, that is 60 degree. 60 degree is coming as the value of the missing angle A, x. These are the sums. In this way you are going to solve the sums, solve the value of the missing angles. One sum is definitely going to come like this. The value of the missing angle, find the value of the missing angle, is for sure coming in the first unit test. So whatever videos I am providing, please follow those videos to find out the value of the missing angles. Geometry, this type of sums are very important for your first unit test exam. So please practice these type of sums and follow the online classes properly. Till then, goodbye.